So what is Adobe Stock? It is a service. It is an agency nga rin sabi nila. That provides designers and businesses with access to millions of high quality curated royalty free photos, videos, illustrations, vector graphics, 3D assets and templates that you can use with your creative projects. Hindi lang sa inyong creative projects. If you have specific campaigns, for example, sa school, pwede nyo magamit yung mga assets na nandyan. Pero yung iba dyan, may bayad. Some of them has a fee. Okay? Pero what I'm going to teach you is there is a section inside of Adobe Stock that you can use for free, even for commercial use. Okay? So let's proceed. Here is the site for Adobe Stock. As you would see here, you can access this using stock.adobe.com/ph. But I'm just going to play this video for you all to appreciate what is Adobe Stock. Okay? So, going to play the video. Wow. Okay? So, this is the question. Is it really free? Marami kasi nagtatanong, meron po bang paraan o meron po bang website on which you can use assets for free? Actually, it's free. Pakita ko sa inyo kung bakit siya free. Okay? It's free. It's totally free. Yes, even for commercial use. Sabi nga dyan, you can use Adobe Stock free assets. Again you can use Adobe Stock free assets with confidence on your next commercial project. So, our free assets meet the same licensing standards as our paid assets. So, ibig sabihin nito, ganito siya. Bakit nila pinapamigay yung mga assets na to? They can provide you 250 million plus assets that you can use and you can buy. Okay, you can buy. But they also gave a collection, a special collection, which is for free, even for commercial use. Okay? Ang ginawa kasi ni Adobe dito is that they paid already the creators that owns that property. So sila na mismo nagbayad noon. It's for them to provide positive solution for creators and help protect their economic success. So, ang nakalagay dyan, it meets the standard with no cost content and they also want to give to drive more traffic on Adobe Stock. So para magamit siya talaga. Gaano karami yung nasa loob ng free collection? Ganito po siya karami. It's 70,000 plus and growing. You see, there is a free stock collection that you can access for free which has 70,000 plus of free photos, vectors, illustrations, and videos na kinompensate mismo ni Adobe at binayaran nila for their efforts. Okay? So, paano natin i-access yan? Ito yung mga examples ng mga assets na pwede nyo makuha. Again, free photos, curated, maganda yung pagkakakuha, lahat ng quality, alam nyo na ganun kataas yung standards. You can also add free vectors, free videos, And if you use templates, for example, meron kayong mga projects. If you have projects, you can use the free templates and you can download it and use it for your own concern. Okay? And if you're also doing 3D work, which I also do, marami silang nilagay dito na mga 3D models, materials, even background for even lighting. Meron silang nilagay dito. Background models, textures, materials, marami silang nilagay. And ito yung pinaka maganda. They also give you motion graphic templates. So, tinatawag natin yung mga MOGRTs, MOGRTs, motion graphic templates that you will just drag to your Premiere, After Effects. Magagawa nyo agad yung pinaka-video ng ganung kadali. Okay? So yung yan yung lahat ng available dito. And how do I sign up? You only need the following. You only need to create an Adobe ID. You need to type this. After logging into your Adobe ID, you need to go to this. This is the website. freeadobestock.com. Yan yung pinaka-website for this. Okay? Or, they also have a longer URL or longer address, which is stock.adobe.com/ph/free.